Do you know who we've got in the restaurant tonight?
A customer?
Yes, well, it's a VIP.
A VIP? What's that?
Oh, it's a very important person. It's the town mayor. I can't believe that he's decided to eat in our restaurant tonight.
Yes, that is the type of top-notch customer I like to cook for. Royalty.
Well, he's not royalty, Gordon, but he is an important person, so I'm going to give this plate an extra polish.
There's the order, Gordon. He wants champagne too. I'll go and get some.
I hope you've sobered up after last week, and I hope you're going to pull out all the stops to make an excellent dish.
Excellence is what I excel at, Celia. You know that. Right, now let's get to work. Oh, wow, he wants a steak surprise. I can tell this is a man with first-class taste.
Just get on with it, Gordon.
There, finished. Perfect. Peter!
Oh, well done, Gordon. You really have gone above and beyond your usual standards.
Peter, I want you to take this to the mayor. Any bad view he has of our restaurant will be blown right out of the water when he tastes that food. Well, what did he say?
He said we had exceeded his expectations.
Good, good.
Yes, we are even worse than he had expected. And also, he is a vegetarian and has never eaten meat.
But this order said steak surprise.
Oh, that one does. But this says mushroom risotto.
Excellent.